What if you could have prospects lining up to get into your business every day, and you never had to chase, beg, or convince a single one of them to do it? Imagine being the hunted and not the hunter, never having to buy or hand out another brochure, business card, or sample of your product, never having to hold out another home meeting, three-way call, or business opportunity meeting. Never again having to approach friends, family, neighbors, and coworkers about getting into your business. Even better, what if you could expose your business and your offer to millions of prospects in under 20 minutes and harness the power of the internet using just one simple strategy? What if you could generate an endless supply of leads, all of whom are prospects who want more information from you? What if you could do all this with little out-of-pocket cost to you, and even for free? Here's how you can do it. There are 7 top secret strategies that the top 2% of MLM business owners all use, but will never tell you about. Implement these today, and you will be adding more reps next month than you did during all of last year. Discover what your upline is known and has been doing all along. Learn the 7 top secret strategies they use to build their huge downlines and huge incomes. Grab Terry Duff's free report titled How to Create Your First Six-Figure Month in Network Marketing by visiting www.recruitfaster.com.